All right, guys, so you are on Wednesday's activities, and you're going to see this at the top of your Google Doc because this is what we did on Monday for grammar. But we're going to scroll down here, and you will see Wednesday, okay, right here. This is the activity that you're going to do today, okay? Now, this sentence has errors. That means that there are things that are wrong in this sentence, whether it be something's not capitalized or a word is spelled incorrectly or it's missing punctuation. You are going to be like investigators, okay? It is your job, just like a detective or an investigator, to find what is wrong with this sentence, okay? And then I want you to fix it. So you'll fix it by typing it here, okay? So you're going to read the sentence first, and I'll read it with you. And you're going to see what's wrong with this sentence, okay? And then you will type it down here correctly, okay? So let's read the sentence together. Billy went outside with him, sister, to play hide and seek. Billy went outside with him, sister, to play hide and seek. Now stop and ask yourself, does that sound right? And does it make sense? Because if it doesn't sound right, if it doesn't make sense, then I need to fix something, right? To make it sound right and to make it make sense. I'm also going to notice when I'm looking at this sentence that there are things that don't look right. There are words that don't look the way they should look, and I need to fix those to make sure they're spelled correctly, okay? So the first thing that I notice is that this here is the start of a sentence, right? What's supposed to be at the beginning of a sentence? You should say a capital letter, right? Every sentence needs to start with a capital letter. And this is a name of a person, Billy. So we know that his name starts with a capital letter. So that's something that I would fix. I would put a capital B there, okay? And then you're going to continue on throughout the sentence and fix it so that it makes sense, okay? Now, Mrs. Walker did that for an example to show you how to fix something that doesn't look right. But when you type it, you'll type it down here where it says type here. You'll put your little mouse right there, and you will type it the correct way, okay? Billy. And then you'll keep going. You'll go to the next word. This is supposed to be went, but I know went is a high frequency word, and I know that this does not look right. This is the word inside of the word went, but I know from school and knowing that this is a high frequency word that that is not how you spell went. So I would think to myself, how do you spell went? I know how to spell went, and I'm going to type it, okay? So you would type it next to Billy. You're going to finish, make sure that you have corrected all of the errors, and you have placed, if you think it needs a punctuation mark at the end, okay?